So I'm going to take these flower pops, and I'm also going to take this wood peg from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put it upside down. I'm going to take the peg and I'm going to put some hot glue at the bottom part and then attach it like that. So I'm going to continue doing this until I do all four of them into the whole jar. Once I do that, I'm going to spray paint it in gold. You could do any color you would like. Then I'm going to take these clear balloons and I'm going to put one purple balloon inside. I'm going to take my balloon pump and I'm going to blow it out just like that. And I'm going to tie it just with a purple balloon, which is easier to attach it. Then go ahead and grab your balloon stick and attach your balloon into it like that. I'm going to take this floor foam, like a little tiny piece. Make sure to put enough hot glue and then attach it to the middle and then place your flower all the way around it like that. Then I also place some cute little purple ones around it as well. Then after that, just go ahead and place your balloon in the floral foam that you guys did. Just cut it out a little bit and then just place it inside to make it shorter. That's why I cut it. Then go ahead, attach one, put some hot glue and attach a flower in the middle like that. I got these cute little signs that says happy birthday. I'm going to place it in there and I'm also going to place a star like that. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy. And I think this will look great on any party decorations. I think it will look awesome. You could do it any party theme as well. It's up to you. You choose the color. I'm just giving you the idea. You decide how you want it. Now for the next idea, I'm going to take one of this coffee mug and I'm going to use these stickers. You could do anything, any stickers. I'm just showing you that you guys can take any sticker for any party theme and just decorate it. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach it to the mug like that. I'm going to do all the way around it. Just place sticker all the way around. I'm going to take the piece of floral foam, put some hot glue, make sure to put enough hot glue, and then attach it to the middle, the same thing as I did in the other one. Then I'm going to take this paper and I'm going to fold it like that, like in half. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold it in another half like that. Then go ahead and grab your scissor and cut it out on this side. And you also going to cut it out in the other side until you get like a little square like that. Place a finger in the middle and then just go like that and then twist it in the at the end. Then go ahead and do it in different color, whatever color you guys are doing. Then grab your hot glue and attach it to the cup like that. So just do one by one, alternating on the colors until you do the whole thing. Then I grab this little, these are for presents, but I'm going to use it for my balloon. This is for the next idea. So I'm just going to go ahead and place it inside. I suggest you guys get more than one, like get 2 or 3. The more that you get, I think the better. Then after that, I place a sticker in the balloon and I'm just going to go ahead and place it inside. I'm going to put a cute little flower in the middle of the balloon like that. And I'm also going to take one apart and place it all the way around in the cup like that just to make it super cute. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out super simple and easy. This is how it looks with a purple balloon and the stickers. And also I'm going to show you how it looks the other way. Please comment down below and like and share. This is the only way that other people get to see my page and it helps me out. So please let's not forget to like and follow as well. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out with a clear balloon. And you can also leave it with a sticker. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. I just give you the idea, then you guys decide which way you would like to do it. Remember, this can be done for any party theme. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.